Today we see that you are here at the Brikama Area Council. So can you please tell us?
Well, we're here, Brikama Area Council, with the entire team from the Inspector General of Police. We had a dialogue here with the local authorities in respect of our exercise that is clearing the road. As you all know, we've been doing this since last year, October, and we'll continue doing what we are doing. We are tasked to carry an exercise that is clearing the road, and we will continue clearing the road. Of course, we have people who fly here and there, but our advice is still going back to them, that let them avoid completely the public places. That is the road. The roads are meant for only communication. They are not meant for selling. They are not meant for any form of business other than the road. The council, we came here, they have their own constraint. They're trying to dialogue, calling us to have a dialogue and see what is feasible and what is not feasible, which we welcome. We are not here to intimidate, we are not here to discourage any kind of business, because when we do, then we've already flipped over our responsibility. Our responsibility is only to do our exercise in accordance with the laws of this land, and which we are here to exercise, we are here to do. We'll continue doing, like I said, we will clear the roads, but of course, what brought all this chaos is lack of communication, and that's why we're here today. And the Inspector General of Police came today. They have a concern. When we came here firstly, we had cleared all roads within Brikama here and the surrounding, all right, and which involved the famous Nana Johnson that brought all these chaos. When we cleared, before we found structures, people built their canteens and structures on the road itself, and we demolished all. After demolishing that one, now we've seen hawkers, vendors coming to display their goods, meaning they're doing the same. Even though those people, they have canteens, a physical structure, but it's not mean. That doesn't mean that when we clear that one, the structures, people should come and occupy with their goods to sell the place. It's the same form. We are saying free the road. Whether vehicles are applying, vehicles are not applying. These are roads that are provided for communication. Okay. Now they have their own reason for bringing those vendors to go and sell, to allow them. They went and did the demarcation where we've already cleared. And before they do that, they know, we told them categorically, they know we are in the ground here. We cleared everywhere. If they have a reason why they're allowing those vendors to sell over there, they should have communicated to us. But for us clearing, after thinking everything is in control, then we had the councillors themselves going and giving space to people. It looks like a provocation, and we are not here to provoke anybody. If we did not help the chairman and his people to carry on their attacks as expected from the voter population, then we are not fair to them. I mean, the chairman is not here for only one political party. He's serving the whole region. All right? I'm from Lamen. We are all under the same chairman. So we need to respect our authorities. We respect them, we give them respect, but in as much as we also expect the same respect to us. They cannot be sitting in this office trying to instigate people to come and get us in the market. That will only bring chaos. And that is not necessary. We are all one. The reason why we are here, please, we have a dialogue with them. They're doing some work over there. The concrete, they said, is within the curing process. When you do concrete, there's a process that it goes, it's called a curing process. It's going through that. That's why they went and allowed those vendors there. But they did not communicate. If they had communicated, we would not allow, because no people will be allowed to use that. So that's why when the Inspector General of Police came, we went on the ground. They told the Inspector General and the team is from here to the council here that they're doing this, and they are pleading for Inspector General and the operation team to allow them to send the women around that road within Oligarchy from Nana Johnson, where the work is, let them do their political self, and the Inspector General of Police gave them barely 1 week. And them themselves have to come back and clear, not to allow the cooperation team to come and do the same thing. So we have a dialogue, we have an understanding. That's where we are now. We had an understanding from them. The development, where the development is taking place, that is where the making that concrete pavement is going on the a curing process, and we will allow them women to use that for their fees. And after that, next Wednesday, tomorrow Wednesday, the following Wednesday, they themselves have taken up on themselves to say the council has enough police. They will not even allow operation team to come back here to send those people away. They will clear everyone. And now, moving forward, their team is going to be added to our team. We will be doing the same what we are doing. We have the movement of vehicle and properties have to continue. Roads are not here to be blocked. Of course, people, they have their expectations, but not on the road. So that's why we're here. I mean, dialogue, a lack of communication brings this kind of thing. But in as much as we are talking as one government, of course we are getting it there. And all of us, our motto is, we want to see this country being developed.
Money, complain and dialogue is key. From now on, will we see that dialogue, especially with the ordinary vendors?
Ninko maslaha is different from dialogue.
What of dialogue?
Ani maslaha wo hani kumi manya nakele sabula no like hina wonu wo manke.
Okay, dialogue.
Dialogue. All right. Dialogue nyomoyo. Wolon dialogue. But maslaha manka nyomoyo.
Okay.
Runga nyomoy nin council nin authorities man nyom. Aba kole ala bakel doko ba kole ala bakel tol fon kan tol min ka doko. Lo lung ngatrati lo kono ngatra jang ba urla mo kilingole. Wo manken tol nafati. Amanken tol la wuli kuwe. But min ben tol makoy kam min ben tol wulinde kam wolo hadamadin tol momo bijambe alon nako ini ala tema yebula do ko mi ne nyanta kelal ko ini ala tema ndol man bugi so nyinto mo man tranta joka nyina ka fako te mol wulinde silo kam be jole kan jole because mbado ko la Gambia government wo salary kilon be ka wala so ntenga lon ne nim fata bi konti bole ben kan ba do ko ngako ko di samana dimbal kan be balundilal ngalo ala ban konti bola molla diamo mati nante tan do ko kala banna do ko kala bar min important ta wolon nyin ndesa min ke nyin to kenol nyin mo politician you cannot go against your own people million vote. You always want to defend them even they are wrong. Bon dol kam min fo nin tol man dialogue so dol duma do ko lalle on the road operation nin tol bula minna tol saratol mo minti bankola saratol mo minti mo kana si silo kay wa ko ngamol wulindi je nin tol tata on the ground tol bo mol wulindi la je bari amoy tol la responsibility as can show ye nanan tol kan damen tol ya lonko am tol ya fil ko wote tiñare ke late abetol mako la en tol fana mako no do ko eta nyato we awdo sa op. Okay. Only
one question not police ko is not operation clear the market, it's operation clear the road.
Yeah.
Market belongs to the council. Yes, without dialogue with the council. Even money for a moli water. And what will be your new step? Well, it's very simple question.
It's simple question. Nana mandu marse kon. Nana mandu garas kono ka garas kono garas are built for a purpose. That is for vehicle to accommodate vehicle. Ninga je garage ol change molka ela atondi firi fengol sama garage kono sidon dingol mi fo garage ko pour moto le finti mirkas do silo kan e bo silo kay dum garage kono mba kala la pour o silo e free man dum marché kono te marché amankan na do koti pour ka dum marché kono ka mol wulindi ka fal finti jang nga motol dundi nyang tol mo kere ndol nga silo la no man dum ta dawo da silo la bijé silo ñi is for communication. It is the interest of I'm interested but the people themselves the chairman for mol fon la na fa lon ka to marcel kono mol lebe kono to je milia lon ko alaman tanka la ko sir boy no wokan na dimba samalo no marché temal bor ni silol ni bulata marché kono ni emergency sida musol ni la palato mi ka si o silol kam mol fo because nim pipi kumata wolbe wul nola banale kantingol bil wol silol kan e sen dimba bodo kono to moto wadunno la prata dimba fa ba ata fa non birin nata na force go wala fo ni silol mim be jam mi fituna garaso ko nata fo trust bank ye kantingol la loje moto ta dunno la je nko e alwo kantingol wutu aba marché wala kono ban marché ka access wutu for the security of musol o mol mi kombo firoro o marché kono ngaka wala kam o accessibility bari dol man dum marché kono kam mo intermediate o kam mo bay marché
ngalde video le kono la le table le kati marché kono
ndel man table
me no it's your team if you tell me ko altolo man
marché Bamodu.
I'm just
now listen, you've asked your question. You asked your question. Allow me to answer.
I'm
video. Go and check video ni marché teba mintolo yo table katimento because it came la disulo kekete. But marché kono mintolo ite fonga ya jeni ala tema. Marché mintolo sa a video tandi na ngaje. Marché mintolo dunte yo te. Another person. Yes. Hadama di danyala soto. All right. Ntemo hadama dingol ti yelo lebe mbalo bala. Ntolbe mo baden kilingol ti jang. Nente nga fo ni mil denta jam modol bi jawol balo nako ni denta even this chairman bota wodi amol ima expecto inte bula tax min ni arate mo mbake ka wala because ane constitution wala tata wala ta mbake ka mo tente dun la kuto mi ya lon ko la sama bina problème o bi nela fon fe ni loi ban satol man ta inte ban ta kala ndako mba minke kan ani banko la loi la wala na mbake ka ni mbake ka ni futata ni jelo futata tema lafte ibe dabanto ibe minna o silo kay lafta prier boje est-ce que tebente sobe olon la banta dañala wot mi entel log yalla ko ndeman ko na face ni is not welcome baro mati na ko jawya dala na face mo do ci nolo mun dañal all right ala baraka ba